Vuba resin is a durable outdoor surface made by mixing natural stone with a resin binder. You can choose a UV option that helps prevent fading in the sun. The surface lets water drain through, reducing flood risk. Last year, a massive fire at the world's largest tire landfill in Kuwait made headlines worldwide, visible even from space. It showed the urgent need for recycling. Products like Aspire pavers turn old tires and plastic into building materials. They're perfect for patios, driveways, rooftops, and other spaces. Balcony design is evolving. One example is the Sapphire Glide, a modular system that speeds installation. Each unit is built off-site and delivered fully assembled, then slid onto steel brackets on the building. Now let's talk about Wall-Tite. It is a foam insulation that expands to form an airtight, moisture-resistant barrier. It blocks drafts, prevents water damage, and boosts energy efficiency. Its closed-cell structure also strengthens walls. For more, it is quick to apply and adaptable to irregular surfaces. Openings for cables, pipes, and wires make installations easier but can spoil a wall's look. Drafill system fixes this by first filling spaces with flexible pipes, then sealing with an elastic layer that blocks water, gas, and dust. Fix offers advanced protective coatings designed to meet today's and tomorrow's needs. They cure quickly and resist chemicals and corrosion, forming a flexible membrane on surfaces like concrete, metal, and wood. Products like Polyurea 1044 are perfect for waterproofing and industrial floors, while FX 1044 adds flexibility. We often talk about Lego sets in our videos, but EcoMuret takes the idea further, using natural Belgian stone instead of plastic. Their modular blocks come in various sizes, letting you build straight, curved, or sloped walls up to 23 feet high. Detroit, famous for cars, has also starred in movies like Beverly Hills Cop and 8 Mile. Beyond its streets, the city hides architectural gems like the Exchange Building. At first glance, it seems ordinary, but it's the first U.S. tower built with lift build, a method that assembles floors on the ground and lifts them into place. Check out Hybris, a honeycomb insulation for walls, roofs, and ceilings. Its closed-cell polyethylene and aluminum layers grow thermal performance. It also reduces noise and stays stable over time. Here we have a quick install tile system with interlocking joints. Made from porcelain stoneware, the tiles click into place for an instantly usable surface. They're easy to maintain and replace individually, and work on many surfaces, indoors or outdoors. Wooden fence posts often rot at the base, so protecting them is important. Post Saver shield the buried part from water and extends its life. Above ground, fence armor guards against lawn tools and weather. This single-component sealant and adhesive from Mapei is made with MS polymer technology. It bonds strongly to metal, wood, plastic, glass, and concrete, and stays flexible even with joint movement up to 20%. StoneClip is a patented system that securely attaches stone panels and large tiles to vertical surfaces. Using steel clips, it supports heavy materials without stressing lower panels, offering adjustable sizes up to 16 millimeters and 880 pounds. First impressions matter, especially for homes. FacadeClick makes stunning brick facades. Its bricks snap together like Lego using a special connector. Reusable up to 5 times, the system is already used in Belgium and the Netherlands. For over 70 years, Alfred Miller Contracting has built industrial and commercial projects across North America. Their precast products, like pipe racks, trenches, and structural elements, are made off-site for consistent quality, faster installation, and safer work sites. When renovating or building, it's important to keep slab weight low. Rectolite combines strong pre-stressed concrete beams with compressed wood panels. Easy to transport and quick to install, it also offers fire resistance, sound, and thermal insulation, making it ideal for your home. Next one is tough, modular, and chemical resistant, handling temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Pans connect with gaskets to prevent leaks, directing spills to containment channels. Center pans hold 30 gallons, sides 25. UltraTrack berm quickly manages railcar leaks with 144-gallon capacity. Next one is a modular system for ceilings and walls. Made from non-woven polyester fibers, the panels come in linear and baffle formats with 5 gray and 5 earth tones. Plus, it's very easy to install and fully recyclable. To be honest, this system is the dream of all people who deal with construction. It allows roofs to be constructed on the ground and keeps workers safe from dangerous heights and reduces reliance on scaffolding. Once assembled, the roof is lifted into place with specialized equipment, speeding up construction. Crews can then start interior work immediately, protected from the weather. Stegmeyer Company shows that even drainage can be clever. Its dual elevation design fits thick pavers or thinner tile-like ones with a top cap and a base tray. Pre-assembled sections make installation simple on sand or concrete.